In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to migrate email marketing from Mailblaze to Klaviyo. We'll move through the exact clicks you need in Klaviyo, and I'll add helpful context so you know why you're doing each step. Before we begin, make sure you can access your Klaviyo account and have your contacts ready to migrate from Mailblaze, ideally as a clean CSV export that only includes people who have opted in. Start on your Klaviyo dashboard. This is your home base, and it's where we'll create the destination for your imported contacts. Look to the left sidebar and open the Audience dropdown. This section is where Klaviyo manages all people data, including lists you can email and segments you can build from behavior and attributes. Choose Lists and Segments. Here you'll see all existing lists plus any dynamic segments you might create later. For this migration, we'll start by creating a new list to keep your Mailblaze contacts organized and separate from anything already in Klaviyo. Click Create, then select List. Lists are static groups you email directly, which is perfect for imports. Give your list a clear, descriptive name, something like Mailblaze Master List, or a name that matches how you use the audience in Mailblaze. Good naming now will save time later when you start building campaigns and flows. Click Create List to lock that in. You'll land on the new Lists page, which is where you add people. Choose Upload Contacts. This opens Klaviyo's import tool and is the gateway for bringing your Mailblaze audience across. At this point, migrate the email marketing from Mailblaze by uploading your exported CSV. Make sure your file includes a header row and, at minimum, a valid email column. If you've exported fields like first name, last name, tags, or consent timestamps, keep those. They're useful for personalization and compliance. Drag your CSV into the uploader, then carefully map each column to the correct Klaviyo field. Double-check email is mapped to email, and map any custom properties you want to retain. If Klaviyo finds duplicates, choose whether to update existing profiles or skip them, depending on your data strategy. Review the summary, start the import, and let Klaviyo process the file. If you see any errors, download the error report, fix the rows in your CSV, and re-upload. Once finished, your list will populate with contacts from Mailblaze, ready for campaigns and future segmentation. Keep your original export as a backup, and remember to only email subscribers who have given consent. That's it. You've successfully set up your list and migrated your audience into Klaviyo.